Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 11th of October 2019. So guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then first of all subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay, now let's move to ahead towards today's analysis, and we are going to start with the signals report right from EURUSD. I have supplied the bullish signal in case of EURUSD from 110181 and 110640 was the target price. And guys, you can see EURUSD has certainly moved up with no problem, and right from the entry the market starts to make a bullish momentum, and finally it hit the target price. So congratulations to all those traders who have taken the buy positions as per my suggestions. Then they must have ended up with very good profits. And next we are going to talk about another big move that we have seen today on Great Britain Pound USD. Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 124,723 and 125,422 is the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to go up, and it has went even beyond the barrier of the target price. You can see it here. The market has already moved up so much high on Great Britain Pound USD, and we have tested it fully, and you can see the profit on the screen. Okay, now let's talk about the USDJPY. Okay, I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So USDJPY with a bullish signal from 108,042 and 108,422 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market started to go up right from the entry. Even the scalper has pointed you with a buy signal, and then the market has moved up. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. At next, let's talk about the strength that we have seen somehow on AUDUSD and AUDUSD with a bullish signal from my side from 067893. And guys, you can see the market stays above the level that I have supplied in my signals report. So overall the momentum was slow. AUDUSD slightly went up and then it stopped. So overall, if you have done scalping on this pair, then you must have ended up with good profits. At next, we are going to talk about USDCHF. The entry was bearish from 099681. It's just onto the way. I'm deleting this line. So basically, this is the entry. USDCHF is into the downward direction, and you can see 099397 is the target price. It is already placed on my chart. If it continues the downward trend like this, then it can reach up to 099397. At last, I'm going to talk about the last successful trade of the day. That's USD Canadian dollar, and USD Canadian dollar. We have seen a big drop today, and 200forexpips.com has identified this drop right in the morning from 132692, and 132369 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have one single candle drop, and the market went beyond the barriers of the target price. So congratulations to all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. So overall guys, we have done with a satisfied day. We have ended this week in a very good manner. And now let's talk about the trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. The top red boundary is for taking sell positions. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. Look, the market has dropped. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum like it happened with EURUSD today, then you can buy the pair. And also look, the scalper has pointed you with a buy signal 2 times here in the lower red boundary, and the market has moved up. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signals report, how I come to know that today I'm going to be bearish and bullish on a particular pair. This signal report is based on a trick, and if you want to learn that trick, I charge $700 for that trick, and I take the trader for 3 days on Skype training, and he prepares signals with me, and after 3 days you will be able to generate your own signals. So guys, if you are interested in any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.